All right, so you've seen the trend of this capsule here and this chibi little figurine over here. And I just wanted to just show you how you actually can do this as well. And it's really good marketing because everyone likes to feel like they're a collectible. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kenji Lo. I am an AI marketing agency owner. I also do keynote speaking all over Asia and in Australia. And I am excited to help you streamline your business through AI and B2B systems. So I just want to show you how you can actually do this yourself. First things first, we will grab ChatGPT. And given the fact that ChatGPT's latest image generator has really changed how we do things, it's amazing. Like you can do so much with it, and you basically don't have to really think about anything anymore. So what we'll do is we will grab a few pictures here. So we will grab the prompt. So it's a very basic prompt. I'm going to use the one I shared as an example before, but you can see the prompt, which is this one, right? Make a kawaii style 3D illustration on a plate of food on the table. Next to it's one glass of a drink, and make a picture of a person in the photo who as if sleeping on the food on the plate. 3D chibi character figure. Okay, so maybe what you can do is as per the uploaded. Okay, so you can change that. So what I did here, I will update this one. So I use buncha and I use sugarcane juice and a bit of naengmyeon as well. So I'm going to upload my photo. Okay, so while I do that, I'm going to send another photo as well for the for a few more examples. So we'll just wait for that to load. Let's see if that works. That does not work. We'll probably have to change that to JPEG first. Let's see, huh? All right, so it's getting started. Gonna close this. Okay. We'll just let it load. Okay, as you can see, it has some naengmyeon, which is some some meat there, as well as buncha hanoi, and it's got myself. I don't think it actually picked up the actual version of me, but obviously you can, upload it even better. So what I'll do now is I will get it to animate. So I'll just save that. Oops, we've got all these different things coming up. Okay, let's go to Kling. Kling, obviously, if you want to jump to the free version, 1.5 is the one for you. But if you want to create the actual image where it's dancing as well, you can obviously use upgrade to 2. So we'll just grab a video. Obviously, you can see an example of what I've done previously, right? But what we will do is we'll grab the exact same image and we will chuck this prompt here. So we're gonna add a prompt. Can you make this character yawn and raise his hands? Then get up to dance. So it's gonna cost me 35 credits. Gonna let that generate.
2,000 years later.
All right, so we're back, and this is the video that we have. Okay, it's a bit like he's got a bit of hallucinations at the end. That's very funny. But Kling is quite cool in the sense that you can create an image, you can create video from an image, you can create sounds as well. You can try virtual, basically you can generate a model too, which is quite cool. Lip sync, which is quite nice. Obviously you can grab all these models here to lip sync for you, right? And you can extend as well. So Kling is really cool in that sense. We'll do the next one, which is the actual capsule itself. So you've probably seen the capsule one. Everyone's like talking about capsules and hey, how do you turn this into an actual like dancing thing inside? So we're gonna do the same thing. Uh, Actually, let's start a new chat just to clear the memory of that one. And we'll grab this image here. So generate a portrait-oriented image of realistic full glass gachapon capsule being held by two fingers. The chibi figure should closely resemble the person in the photo. The capsule should look clear, glossy, and realistic. Theme, jacket, sneakers, and watch. So we'll just grab that. It's going to generate the image for me. And then we'll do the exact same thing in Kling as well. But in Kling, I will just show you the one that we've done previously because I really like that one. That one was done really well. So we'll wait for this to generate.
10 years later.
Okay, so there you have it. We have the image right here. So obviously it's giving me those eyes. If I go to the example from Kling that I shared to my socials last time, this is what it will look like. Right? So can you make the model wave, high, dance inside the capsule? So that's pretty much a tutorial on how you can create that yourself. If you're wondering like what's the point of all this, it's really good marketing. It can show you as a collectible, and if let's say in the future you want to 3D model yourself or create yourself in an actual toy, you can do that as well. So yeah, it was a short, sharp way on how you can actually do this for yourself. If you found value in this video, feel free to subscribe for more, and we'll catch you in the next video.